received from Ananya. Sir, today our friends are going to tell about some bad effects of the plastic. So please listen carefully. It will help our future.
Regarding the plastic, we should not use
Plastic
plastic.
bags are one of the most widely used items in our daily life. That too, it is very popular in grocery hotel as it is very easy to carry. Plastic is a non-biodegradable material which cannot be decomposed. I am Rishit. Plastic affects aquatic and terrestrial animals and also affects spoils the soil. My name is Rashmi. Now I am telling about microplastic. Microplastic is more dangerous because it can pass through the animal digestive system. I am Rishit. Sir, now I will tell some more information about microplastic. Microplastic damage the liver. It will also damage the cell as well. It will also affect reproductive system. My name is Sanvi. If you burn the plastic, it produces toxic gases and it affects our lungs. So do not burn the plastic. Do not take parcel in plastic bags because it is causes cancer. So please avoid the plastic bags. My name is Lavidyam Goda. Sir, we can reuse the plastic. Example, milk cover. In generally, we cut the milk cover like this. So please do not cut like that. If you cut straight and get to the rack pickers, they will make many decorative bricks like garland. And you will also get the amount. If water bottle is there, use for water irrigation and for potting the plant. In this way, we can reuse the plastic. Now I come to know so many effects of plastic. So please do not use the plastic bags. Use only the paper bags. It will protect our nature, protect us and our future. Now I and my friends are sing a song about not use the plastic. No more plastic, no more plastic. Let's take a stand, let's take a stand. We will change our ways and heal our land. Recycle, reuse, reduce our waste and create a better world and better land. No more plastic, no more plastic, no to plastic, no more plastic. Let's take a stand, let's take a stand. ಬೇಡವೇ ಬೇಡ ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಬಳಕೆ ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಡ ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಿಷೇಧ ಮಾಡುವ ಪ್ರಾಣಿ ಪಕ್ಷಿಯನ್ನು ಕಾಪಾಡುವ ಬೇಡವೇ ಬೇಡ ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಬಳಕೆ ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಡ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಅವಾಯ್ಡ್ ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಸೇವ್ ಅವರ್ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಭವಿಷ್ಯವನ್ನು ಕಾಪಾಡಿ
ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಬನ್ನಿ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಆಂಜನೇಯ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಅದನ್ನ ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ No plastic is fantastic.